Dear students, today we are going to discuss very important topic, something that affects everything on this planet, irrespective of where they are. We read every day newspaper, magazines about it increasing every passing year. Yes, it is the problem of environmental pollution. But what exactly is this pollution? Why is it a matter of such a big concern? To understand that, just consider I gave you this glass of water to drink. Will you drink it? Your answer will be no. If I ask you to reason for that, you would say that it's not clear, hence unfit for drinking, right? So, along the same line or just on broader scale, consider a surrounding where we keep on adding impurity on daily basis. Will then be our safe for existence of life? No, right. So now let us define pollution. To define pollution, we need to look into three aspects. Number one, introduction or presence of contaminants. And the second aspect is the amount of contaminant present. So, for this, let's consider a clean glass of water to which we add just one drop of ink. And to another glass of water, we just pour entire bottle of ink and we stir both the glasses of water. So, which one will you call polluted? If we go to see, both the glass of water has contaminant, which is the ink which we added. In the first case, the drop of ink just disperses in the water and the water is almost clear, indicating negligible amount of contaminant. But the second has more amount of contaminant. So, our environment has a natural ability to accommodate with this contaminant by recycling, storing, breaking it down, or disperse the contaminants. If the addition or amount of contaminant is more, only then we call it pollution. Now, after considering two aspects of pollution, let's consider the third aspect. The third aspect is contaminant is causing harm to life and to living being or environment as a whole. So, after considering these three aspects, we can define the pollution as the introduction of contaminant into the environment, either in the form of chemical substances or energy such as noise, heat or light that can cause harm or discomfort to the humans or other living organism or that damage the environment. It occurs in all habitat, land, water and air. Now, The substances which causes habitat destruction are known as pollutants. They can be artificial substances like pesticides or naturally occurring substance like CO2 means carbon dioxide.